In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade options on the Binance mobile app. Whether you're new to options trading or simply looking to brush up on your skills, I've got you covered. Trading options can offer investors exciting possibilities, allowing for a degree of flexibility and strategy that other investment forms might not provide. However, with great potential comes the need for clarity and understanding, so let's dive right in. First, grab your smartphone and open up the Binance app. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom menu where you'll notice a button labelled More. Tap on that and a variety of features will unfold before you. Here you want to look for the Options section and tap on it. This will guide you straight to the Binance Options Trading interface, which is specifically designed for user friendliness and intuitive navigation, making your trades as seamless as possible. With the Options interface at your fingertips, it's time to select a contract. Binance offers a wide selection, but for today's guide, let's focus on one of the most popular, BTC/USDT. Selecting this contract allows you to engage in options trading involving Bitcoin denominated in Tether, a widely used stablecoin. Familiarity with these can be beneficial as they are often preferred due to their liquidity and stability in the market. Now that you've selected your contract, the next step requires a decision. Do you want to buy a call or a put option? A call option gives you the right but not the obligation to purchase an asset at a predetermined price within a set time frame, whilst a put option gives you the right to sell. Whichever you choose, set your strike price, the price at which you agree to buy or sell, and don't forget to specify when the option will expire. It's crucial to set this according to your market expectations and risk appetite. Having set your parameters, enter the amount you wish to trade. As you do this, pay close attention to the premium required. This is essentially the price you pay for the option and reflects the potential risks and rewards. Alongside this, the interface will display potential payoff details, providing a projection based on current market conditions. Reviewing this information can assist you in making informed decisions. Finally, after thoroughly reviewing the trade details and feeling confident in your setup, tap Buy to confirm your trade. In doing this, you've effectively entered the options market, positioning yourself for whatever strategy you've decided on. Always remember, continuously educate yourself and manage risks diligently in your trading endeavors. And that concludes our quick dive into trading options on the Binance mobile app. It's a powerful tool when used wisely, so go ahead and explore what Binance options trading can do for your investment strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more content for additional insights and tips into the world of trading.